Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I would like to welcome all of you to the plenary session of Basic and Applied Sciences of 8th International Research Conference, KDO. I'm honored and privileged to introduce you the chairperson of this session, Dr. Wolfgang Dittus. He is the chairman of Association for Conservation of Primate Diversity. He is also a research associate at the Smithsonian Institution, USA, and a senior visiting scientist at the National Institute of Fundamental Studies, Sri Lanka. Dr. Wolfgang Dittus is a primatologist and behavioral ecologist based in Sri Lanka. He obtained his BSc and MSc from McGill University, Canada, and PhD in zoology from University of Maryland. He has been engaged in primate research for over 5 decades. It is recognized as being the most intensive long-term study of wild population of primates anywhere ever. His research results have been published in numerous scientific journals and has been publicized through more than 20 documentary films. The latest popular film is a production with Disney Nature called Monkey Kingdom that is currently playing in Sri Lankan theaters. Now, I cordially invite Dr. Wolfgang Dittus to chair the session. Sir, I would like to invite you to the head tables. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for. Is this thing working? Hello? Now it's working. Thank you for those kind words. I'm glad to see that there is at least one other person in this room who is not wearing a shirt and tie and a jacket and who has a beard. So Kotagama, I'm so happy that you were here today. Otherwise, I would really stand out like a sore thumb. Now there's 2 sore thumbs in this audience. Anyway, before I go on, I should invite the rapporteur to come and sit next to me. I'm not actually, as I said, this is new to me, this business of chairing a plenary session. What does a rapporteur do? Okay, you sort of fill in this, when I'm out of words, you sort of fill in for me. Is that what it is? Or you take notes? Anyway, this is actually an interesting panel of people of scientists giving this afternoon's presentations. The biology in the last 100 years, or even 50 years, has really switched from the focus at the organismal level to the microscopic and now to the biochemical. And what we have among our presenters this afternoon is we have an arc from 3 people who are in microbiology, and we have 1 person on the organismal. So we're getting we're not getting the full spectrum, but we're getting the 2 ends of the spectrum that is currently in vogue in the biological sciences. And we're probably getting a fairly good representation of 2. We have 3 people on microbiology, and we have 1 person on organismal biology and conservation. So I'm looking forward to the presentations, and the first speaker I would like to invite up to here, it would be Professor Iqbal Chowdhury, and he's the director of the International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences. I told you about microbiology. And he's also an HEJ Research Institute of Chemistry at the University of Karachi in Pakistan. He graduated with BSc with major subject in chemistry, biochemistry, and botany from Karachi University, and he later pursued his MSc in organic chemistry, and then he got his PhD in organic chemistry at the HEJ Research Institute of Chemistry at Karachi University. I'm getting nice background music also. He received his 2005. He received his Doctor of Science from the same university. He is the recipient of many awards and fellowships. In 2010, he received the Comstock Award in Chemistry by the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Professor Iqbal has the highest number of international research publications by any scientist of Pakistan in the last 10 years. And if you look at his record, 800 research publications, 900 publications, 32 books. I mean, that's just not Pakistan. He must be, way up there on the global scale as well. Anyway, he's world-renowned for his research on the various areas relating to natural product chemistry. Natural product chemistry, as you all know, is very important for us looking for new chemicals that are of use for humans. He has supervised 63 PhD students, 16 MPhil students. He is also a visiting professor at many international universities. And if you would like to know more about him, he has a page on Wikipedia, and it is, has a long list of his work accomplishments. Thank you.
Thank you very much.